Ubak pensen pala ubulong Presiden Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ulaong ba jushim setia bagi kam simet kiya lang bagi kam juki parti. Habakal begini untuk khobor ba pala ulaong jutri setia nam tu juki kam ban mentok simet handai utrai bet nakam ta ka jimbet jumbiang juki parti hapo jong jalla. Habedi bagi jadi perlok bagi parti ulah kedau ba wat baru ba Metbah lang do ubulong Presiden jaka UDP ya ubak pala Khot Kthaw kamjuru ubak polong do uju Khot di umama. Kani kapani ba kikam simet berkikam parti kem de banyak lang setia.
They say that you have an inclination towards the NPP, and that might affect the Congress party in the long run. How do you see, sir?
See, I don't have much interest in my personal life. My interest is always for the party. You've seen many people say that Pala is a businessman, so he'll look more to his business than the politics. But I think for 12 years I've been in politics. I don't do a single business. I'm totally give service to the people. So here, so in the party, so I don't have interest for my brother, my family, or my friend here. My interest is only for the party. So if we have interest for the party, and I don't think that NPP or UDP or my friend or my personal friend, that is something is personal. I never take my personal into the party matter. Party will be strictly for the party, and personal is a separate issue. And I may have a good relation with any individual in different parties. For example, UDP, Metbah and me is related. He used to call me father-in-law, and like Bapal is also, he called me uncle, but he fought against me because he represents that party. Metbah also same thing, and if you see Vanmeroy and me also were related from because from Java and with my mother-in-law, but that is a separate issue. Conrad was an MP in Delhi, and his dad was a dear friend of mine. When we work, I'm a general secretary of the Northeast MPs Forum. So his dad used to be the chairman. So I was close right when his dad was there. And even when Conrad was, when he was an MP, so we travel all over the world together. So that is a personal. So we should not bring, be it me, be it him, we don't bring that personal into the welfare of the party or interest of the party. I think it's wrong to say that inclination, this inclination, that. I don't have any inclination with any parties, but I do respect every party, be it small or big, or every individual. So I don't think that this will affect the party's performance or their party's performance.
One last, I know it's a little premature.